Now this is amazing, guys. This is amazing. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy African coming at you guys again with another video. Today, of course, like every other video, we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency and what is going on right now. Obviously, you can see this on Bitcoin, almost a 10% drop from the previous day. Bitcoin is kind of lagging behind, which is great because we've all had money tied up in alts for so long, and we're finally seeing our alts do something. Half of them aren't even catching up in BTC value, but they're moving. I'm really excited to see my alts that I've been holding for a long time, such as ARK, move. It's down 8% today, but it's been moving pretty well recently. Vercoin has been disappointing me, and I think we're gonna see Vercoin move in the near future because it hasn't been moving. 10x has moved surprisingly. It was holding steady for such a long time, but it moved. 10x is most definitely one of the coins that I'm just gonna stack up on by the end of this year and hold into 2018. It's one of the coins I actually believe in. Right now we're seeing a lot of negative numbers. I think more people are probably buying back into Bitcoin, to be honest, because Bitcoin is looking like a buy right now. Ethos, we've had it since 55 cents, guys. I hope you're enjoying your USD returns if you've been watching this channel. But right now, I'm not sure how I feel about the crypto market, and I know a lot of people say this whenever anything happens, but I truly am a little fair. I'm fearing a correction, a big correction coming very soon. Is it gonna come? I don't know, but I just feel like this market cap was at 200 billion like 3 months ago. Now it's at 600 billion. It's almost $1 trillion market cap already. We weren't predicting a 600 trillion. We weren't predicting $1 trillion market cap until like the end of 2018. And maybe it won't hit $1 trillion by then. But I think if it continues moving at this pace, which is probably not, we're gonna see some type of revolutionary. Like, I know crypto's revolutionary, but the movement that we're seeing right now is just, it doesn't make sense to me. It's moving too fast, and I do think we're going to see a correction. BTC dominance is at 48.4%, and usually I would recommend buying Bitcoin when BTC dominance falls under 55%, but right now, I don't know. Of course, Bitcoin's a good buy whenever it drops because it's bound to go back up. But is right now the dip, or is this just the precursor to the dip? And are we going to see a way bigger dip come later on this year? That's the question you need to be asking yourself, because this could be the dip. I could be just over analyzing this like most people do whenever Bitcoin falls, and this could be the dip, and we could see Bitcoin rise and moon and go to 25,000 by the end of this year. That's most definitely possible, but are we going to see that is the question, and we kind of have to make predictions on that. And just looking at not even the charts, but looking at the behavior of people on social media, I know a lot of people might not even agree with me making this point, but just looking at what people are saying on social media, and I'm not talking about people who are actively in crypto, I'm talking about the everyday boys and girls that started buying Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin on Coinbase. Seems like they're all selling off, and I think we might see a big sell-off very soon. A lot of people are getting scared. They're like, I bought in at 19,000. It's 17. Let me not lose that much money. It's going down. It's going down. Panic, panic, panic. So they're selling off their Bitcoin. That's just what I've seen on social media. Maybe it's just the people I follow. But I'm seeing more and more people saying, oh, okay, I probably should sell. And with Litecoin too, they're saying, I've made so much money, because a lot of people heard about Bitcoin and then they saw Litecoin. Litecoin was like at about 100. They started buying Litecoin, went up to 345. and now they've already gotten the profits. So we might see a sell-off on Litecoin and Bitcoin just based off of social media is where I'm getting that from. I haven't done any TA to base that off of. We can do TA, but as we all know, the African Wi-Fi is not the best. It's not the best at all. Most definitely we're going to see a correction in Bitcoin at one point or another. So do not freak out about a correction, but is this the biggest the correction is going to be? That's what we have to ask. I don't even know what I'm trying to do. I was probably trying to go to TradingView, but that's another thing. Bitcoin Cash is seeing a little pump. Is this getting pumped by a few people, or is this actually a pump because people are predicting it's going to hit Coinbase at the top of 2018? Let me know in the comment section down below what you're thinking. I think it's kind of a little mixture of both. We've seen people pump Bitcoin Cash before. There's whales that with the Bitcoin Bitcoin fork, they got a bunch of Bitcoin Cash and they have a bunch to manipulate markets with. So that's most definitely possible. But is this getting manipulated, or is it a genuine movement? A lot of people think that it's going to be put on Coinbase, so that's one of the reasons that they're getting it. Or it could be a whole lot of other reasons. Let me know why you think that's happening. Ripple, also, people are predicting to get listed on Coinbase. Imagine if Ripple is listed on Coinbase and people see a 77-cent coin. That will be crazy, but this is all speculation. Dash has been killing the game recently. Most of your alts have been doing great. If you're not making money right now in crypto, probably cryptoing incorrectly. Just my 2 cents. You should probably be making money, at least $1 a day, guys. That's my goal. Be profitable. You don't have to make $1 billion. You just got to be profitable. Simple token, the ICO, we were pretty enthused about, has finally been released. It's on Binance and my Ether, or not even on. I just said my Ether Delta. I was gonna say Ether Delta, but it's not on Ether Delta. It's just on Binance. Unluckily for me, I did not sell. I was awake when it was about 50 cents last night, and I didn't sell because I just sold off my initial investment, but it's dropped my portfolio or not my portfolio, but it's dropped pretty far from where it was yesterday. It's about 36 cents right now. I think CoinMarketCap isn't updating it, but it's about 36 cents right now. I really am looking forward to seeing where Simple Token goes. I should have sold off just because of the bonuses I had. Those would be enough to, if it doubles or triples, see some great returns, but we'll see how it goes. And if I need to, I'm still profitable. This is what's like a 3x gain. So if I need to, I'll sell off later. But right now, I'm just holding my Simple Token. What else is doing well for me? Rec has been doing pretty nice. If you've been watching the channel, you know we were loving Rec at around 13 cents, and right now it's at 30 cents. So we've already tripled our initial investment almost, or doubled our initial investment, however you want to look at it. So that's looking very nice for us. Let's go to the gainers and losers and see what is having a nice day. A lot of these are pump and dumps. I know this one was. Don't ask me why. If you want to know why, just join my Discord. Link will be in the comment section down below. But yeah, there's a story behind that. It's a painful story. But Einsteinium has been having a good last hour, so is Flixo. I think this was a recent ICO. Let's see when it came out. I'm pretty sure it's a recent ICO. Yeah. I think it had some really great profits from ICO. Let me know if you guys invested in that. Let me know if you guys do invest in ICOs, because I know some people in my Discord were saying that they don't. I want to know how many people actually do invest in ICOs. Just a thing I'd be really interested in. Digibyte has been seeing a lot of good movement, and I think we might see Digibyte have a little moon session come up here. That's my little prediction, just from what I've seen. The chart, the volume, it looks like it's gonna have a little takeoff sometime here in the future. Do I have any Digibyte? Yeah. Am I advising you to buy any? No, because this is not financial advice. but I would like to say that the volume is looking nice. The market cap has room for growth. John McAfee said something about it, and when he says stuff, let me just show you what happens. When John McAfee says stuff, this is usually what happens. So I'm expecting something like this. Doesn't have to be exactly like this. I'm expecting something sort of kind of like that to happen on DigiByte. It already had a little BTC USD pump, but it hasn't had that BTC pump yet, and I really am looking forward to that. But that's all for today's video, guys. Let me know what you guys are thinking about the crypto sphere. Make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like the video. Tell me what coins you guys are looking forward to and what coins you have the most stuff right now. Are you staying away from Bitcoin? Are you buying more? Let me know. Make sure to subscribe. Join the Discord so you can always stay in the loop about recent crypto events, what's going on in crypto. We have some nice people in there that give advice on what coins you should get. It's just a really nice community. Daily updates on coins, just some cool conversation. So make sure to join that Discord, link in the description down below. If you want a t-shirt, altsinfomo.com is my website. Make sure to go and get yourself a shirt. Thanks for watching the video. It's your boy African, and I'm signing out.